Hello, I'm going to show you how a string combiner boxes with a fireman switch from Phoenix Contact is connected and how it works in detail. Our string combiner box includes the function of surge protection with a fireman switch. A fireman switch refers to a DC load disconnector that can be operated remotely. In this SCB, it is done motorized. The connection of the photovoltaic strings is done on both the input and output sides using our push-in terminal blocks. These can be seen here on the input side and here on the output side. The assignment of the MPP trackers and the string polarity can be read from the terminal labeling. Terminals X1 and X2 are used for the input strings and X5 and X6 for the output strings. The PE and the lightning protection equipotential bonding conductor can be conveniently connected using the push-X terminal block. It can be seen here accordingly, and here I will now demonstrate how easy it is to connect. To begin with, you just need to strip the conductor by approximately 18 to 20 millimeters, then simply insert it into the terminal chamber in a straightforward manner, and it's already connected securely. Super easy. To implement the function of the firefighter switch, a 230 volt AC power supply is required. In our case, this is connected to terminals X4 1 to 3. Optionally, the switching state of the load disconnect switch can be evaluated at terminals X4, 4 and 5 using a potential-free normally open contact. These can be seen here accordingly. It is important to ensure that the maximum voltage of 24 volt DC is not exceeded. If a manual disconnection option is desired, an emergency stop switch with a normally closed contact must be installed in a manner so that the 230 volt AC power supply is interrupted when activated. As seen earlier, we need a 230 volt AC power supply for the fireman switch to function, so that the load disconnect switch moves into its normal operating state. Before the fire department can begin firefighting operations in the building must first be disconnected from the power supply, and this is initially independent of whether the building has a PV system or not. This means that a photovoltaic system with a fireman switch is generally automatically de-energized through the fire department's standard procedure. How does the motor of the load disconnect switch actually get its power when the switch is supposed to disconnect the strings in the event of undervoltage? For this purpose, a circuit board is installed in the string combiner box, which uses capacitor technology to store enough energy to safely activate the switch when undervoltage is detected. And this is the housing of the circuit board that is installed here accordingly. We create an undervoltage condition by pressing the emergency stop switch, and the switch then disconnects the strings accordingly. So now you know how a string combiner box from Phoenix Contact with a firefighter switch is connected. And if you're interested in this or other variants, you can easily find them on our website. Use thereof for the link in the video description.